This is going to be my standalone XDC explanation of what the XDC cryptocurrency is in the XDC network. In light of what's going on in the market, and all my previous videos warned of what's coming with Bitcoin. Bitcoin will drag everything you have in your wallet down with you if you buy at a certain range. And if you pay that range too much, you're going to feel it heavily. The whole point of crypto nowadays, especially with all the people making so much trash and putting junk out there, it's taking all the money and it's filtering in so many areas. The market itself in crypto don't know what to do. That's why Bitcoin has its dominance, and a very big dominance it has, because that's the only thing people actually talk about when it comes to the reliability of certain assets. Why Bitcoin? Because it's the only thing people up here hear from business news all the way across the board, because it was the first and it's the biggest. Why don't I like Bitcoin? Because of what it does to the market. And here's the example of what I'm trying to say. And I'll pull it up and give you a good explanation as I can. The current price of Bitcoin, $113,291. If you put $100 in here and leave it alone, the only way you will get to $200, this has to go to $226,000 per Bitcoin for you to make your profits worthy of even holding it for that type of time period. People don't understand that. If you buy a lesser crypto, let's say Cardano, and I'm using these as, I guess you could say, just examples. Cardano, its current price, 85 cents, just around 85. Okay. If you put $100 into this, the way you will double your money is by the percents. It has to go to $1.70. You will get pretty much double your money. That's how crypto works until Bitcoin gets out of the way. All right, let's get back to what this thing is all about. Now, XDC, it's currently just under, here, I'll pull that sucker up too. Its current price is sitting at 8.1 cents. I'll go with that example. You put $100 into XDC at 16 cents, or just over 16, because it's just slightly over 8 cents. At 16.5 cents, you will get double your money in value. It's all about the percents, and I'm going to keep repeating this because a lot of people don't understand what they get into with crypto. Okay, let's get back to the gist of what's going on and why I'm making this. In the past 2 weeks, there have been so many social media posts about crypto's going to blow up now. Crypto's going to blow up now. August 15th. Get your stuff now. Nobody in this market can predict Bitcoin's dominance moving your money. And before I get too far too, this is not financial advice. I'm trying to advise to stay away from, I'm not even trying to get you to stay away from stuff. I'm trying to make people understand what they're fighting against if they are in cryptocurrency. The market is all connected. Crypto to stocks, crypto to bonds, and everything else falls behind, especially when it comes to the Fed, which I've made previous videos on. Is XDC a good investment? Here's the kicker. You're going to start hearing real world assets, tokenization, which is fine and dandy. Influencers giving you price predictions. I don't give price predictions because I know how the market is. I've been in it a very long time, since just around 2019, and I've been drugged. I've had stuff stolen. I mean, it's been a wild ride, and I've had to learn, and I'm trying to keep people from making the same mistakes as myself. But XDC, XRP, XLM, they are all wanting this tokenization stuff, which is not bad. Tokenization is where you're taking stocks, real estate, gold, silver, turning them into a crypto type currency, And what you're going to be able to do is have your liquidity. You'll be able to move it faster. You'll be able to sell it faster than having to worry about other methods. It all turns into your blockchain technology, which gives you much more freedom, and it's a lot cheaper to do stuff with. The whole outlook is people wanting their coins to go to $2, $3, $4, which I've watched people talk about Chronos, and they lie their butt off for clicks. I'm not trying to give hopium because I know the truth. Until Bitcoin gets out of the way, Ethereum even has problems to get it, and it has the #2 market cap, and it still has problems against Bitcoin. But Bitcoin has to get out of the way. Will it happen? I hope so, because you need something up there that has true liquidity, true numbers. That way it doesn't drag the market down every time it moves a little bit. Ethereum's not that much better because it's capped and its supply is low. Your #3 coin is XRP. It has a lot out there, but it also needs a whole lot of money put into it to push its market cap up to try to fight against Bitcoin. Okay, back to XDC. Is it a good investment for what they want to do in the future? Yes. Will tokenization make your crypto go up? Now, here's the kicker on that. The only way that it goes up is by XDC getting more eyes on it, getting places that people have to buy it. It also has to have the supply used to make the real world asset, but it has a lot of potential to do it. If you go look, they have XDC videos where the developers tell you everything you need to do. It's all on YouTube if you want to look into XDC, but it is a good one. They want to move money from one place to another. It works just like XRP. It works just like XLM. I apologize. Good investment? Sure. It was really cheap. It was right around 2 cents when I was, or actually, yeah, 2 cents whenever I got introduced to this, and it's like over 8 cents. Now, everything that I am talking about will be in the link in the description below. You can learn about it if you want to. I'm just saying, people are wanting crypto to be worth so much money, and yet nobody wants to warn of this stuff that's happening now. And if you're watching people with date setting of prices, they cannot and will never be able to. So I'm trying to throw this as a warning. I like crypto, and my previous videos tell you why, but I'm just trying to bring out the real world asset types of coins, especially if they go into an exchange traded fund, which is an ETF associated with stock markets. XDC, I don't know if it's going to get there. It should, because of what it does compared to what else they have allowed to happen and all the stuff going on with the SEC. So I hope this video brings to light of what this is. It is not a junk coin. It is not a meme coin. It is an actual real crypto that's going to have future endeavors that are starting to come to fruition. Oh, okay. But I hope y'all have a good day, and please look at the links in the description box. Do your research, and please have a good day.